Hey, it's Abhi here, and I want to share something with you in this video today, right? I want to show you how I made like $666 in last few days. Okay, so what I've done is I have joined a course, right? And then I documented my results with it, and that results got me even more results, right? That's what I'm showing you. So I have joined this course called Super Affiliate Sniper. Okay, if you watch my previous video, you will see what the course is and how I got my results, right? If you want to see, right, this is my tracking dashboard, and you see I have made $621 commissions with ClickBank here, and I made some other commissions, overall about $1,200 something, and the profit of $900 or something, right, over in total. That's my result with that course and the teachings of that course. So what I've done was, I actually created a Google Doc. I created a YouTube video as well. Okay, but first I have created a Google Doc. So it serves as as my journey or as my results journal right here. Okay, so I have created this one, and you can see I have written it out. This is my initial results right here. Okay, if you go down, I have promoted the training here, and if you go down, you will see all the updates that I have been achieving, that I have been getting with this strategy. Okay, you will see the commissions, you will see the profit, the ad spend, everything. I'm documenting this thing. Okay, so today, right, you can see I have made about $97 here, and if you go here, you can see I have made a mid-ticket low $238 something here, and the ad spend is very, very low. So the total $610 with that particular offer that I've tried with Bing ads. Okay, so if you go, so today, right, today I tried another network that is called Buy Goods, and I got this first sale of $73.62. Okay, and what did I do? I simply went ahead and updated that doc, right? Then I made it public, right? I actually went to Facebook, I posted about my results, right? You can see here, and people are commenting, right? If you go before, I have posted all my results in here, and you can see 33 comments, people asking for info. What did I do? I sent them to this doc, or I sent them to this YouTube video right here, right? They watch this video, they see I got results, they click the doc, they see the training that I have recommended. If you go here, you can see that I have the link that takes them to that training. They sit to the training, and if they like the training, they get in, I make the commission. Okay, so results bring results. Always document your journey, always document whatever that you do, always document your results. And even if you have no results at all, right, let's say you purchased a course, there's no results, what do? You go and create a review about it. You say the product doesn't work, it's not good, right? You don't have to show your face, you can simply record your screen. It's very easy to do. Okay, so if you go to my channel, for example, okay, if you go to my channel, so if I click on the videos here, you will see that some of the reviews that I do, they are negative reviews, right? I got in their course, or maybe I got the review copy for free, whatever, right? I got in there, right? And if I didn't like, I say it as it is, right? And I upload it. And if you can see, I have got 112 views from that. Right? People searched for Click Home Income to review. There are a lot of affiliates promoting crap products out there. I don't do that. Okay, I don't want to promote bad products. So if you see this video, right, I'm talking like this is not a good product, right? I'm giving the features, I'm explaining the features. This is not working, that's not working, this is simply a scam, something like that, right? So people watch it and they appreciate it, and then they look in the description, and then I can recommend them something, right? Something that actually works. I am being honest with them. So there is the power of documenting your bad experiences too. Okay, you promote something that is actually good for people, they buy that, they found it helpful, they will really appreciate you, and they will look forward to your emails, your videos, your whatever that you do, right? And they will be a lifelong buyer. All right, and you help them, right? Just recently I hopped on a call with I don't want to get his name, but I helped him set things up. He purchased the Super Affiliate system with me, from me, and I hopped on a call with him, and I gave him my templates. I gave him some of the keywords that I'm doing, so that he can get a jump start, right? So always help whoever purchases your stuff. So there's no script in this video. I'm just explaining and just talking with my heart and whatever that comes to my mind. So you see, if you get results, if you don't get results, doesn't matter. Document it, create a video, create a document just like this one, or create a blog article, create content, bring it out there on Facebook, on YouTube, wherever you can. Okay, and that's gonna bring you people, and that's gonna bring people and start clicking your links because you are honest with them, or you are getting awesome results and they want to check out your link, whatever that you're doing, and they'll go ahead and buy it, and you make a commission. Right? That's how you do affiliate marketing, honest affiliate marketing, honest ethical affiliate marketing. Okay, don't be like others, right, who simply do positive reviews even if the product is crap. Right? Don't promote bad ClickBank products. There's a lot of MMO type of offers in ClickBank which are not good. Right? There's a lot of affiliate offers on Warrior Plus itself that are not good. Right? But there are great ones like Rims from JK. There is this one from Mark Whiteley and Anthony Ruzek. So yeah, so if you actually want to go through the training of Super Affiliate System, there will be a link below. If you want to search this doc, there will be a link below. And if you actually want to talk to me, if you actually want to chat with me, I will leave a link to my Facebook. Just send me a hi, right? Or maybe email me, whatever that you want, right? Just email me or message me if you're serious, okay? And maybe I can help you, right? That's about it, and cheers. I'll see you in the next video.